most important bachata steps and how to learn bachata in easy way. So first, we have to focus on the elements of dance. So number one element of dance is walking. So especially the side walks will be important for us. So let's just walk to the side. So we do side step, so we're stepping to the side. As many times as you want, we're stepping to the side. Also, we can, of course, going forward, we can go backward. So steps will be very important for us. The second will be triple step important to us. Normally triple step we're doing to the side, 3-step side. Triple steps, triple step. And the third is a tap. So we do a lot of taps in bachata. So you can tap one leg, you can tap another leg. So we're gonna combine this elements of dance, and then we can do almost any bachata step. So let's start with the basics. So we have triple step, tap, triple step, tap. So we combine triple step and tap. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how we develop the steps? So we introduce a little bit back and forward steps. So instead of going side, we're gonna go back. We go back. Now this leg gonna go across, almost like a forward feeling, side, tap. So we can say back, front, side, tap. Back, front, side, tap. Back, front, side, tap. And last but not the least, just gonna be side tap. So you go step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. So let's combine those three movements together. So we start with the basic. We do triple step on counts 1, 2, 3 and tapping on 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and taps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we would like, we can go also backward and forward with the same steps. So instead of triple step, we have a 3-step forward or back. So we go left leg forward. We have 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have already 4 different type of steps. Let's go with the step number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step number 4, we're gonna go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now, secret sauce, magic of dance. So instead of just walking those steps and using your feet, we have to use a little bit some different body parts. So we can use our hips, we can use our body right here. So let's find our hip. So hip can move right, left, hips can move around. And our upper body, we can have a sense of flexibility. We can move our rib cage side to side, and you see in this way your hip following like a wave. So when we go side, instead of just doing legs, we're gonna do a little bit magic. We're gonna engage our rib cage and let that rib cage and hip guide the leg. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and instead of just step, we have a little bit hip movement. So instead of only foot, we're gonna do hip and foot. So let's try it again, using body parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have back and forward. We can use that hip swinging motion back and forward to guide our leg back. So instead of going back front, we're gonna send our hip back. Now rotate our hip to cross, and again, use our rib cage to step side. So let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now step tap, the same. We can swing our hips, and instead of just on the feet, have a little bit body actions, right? And when we're going back and forward, we introduce a little bit rib cage movement as we take in our step, instead of just moving with the legs. So let's try backwards. So go 1, 2, 3, hip, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can play, this is good exercise. You can use your hips, change direction, or you can use your body to produce a lot of different dimensions. So less traveling, more body actions. Let's try the music. Bachata music. Let's do it. So let's see it. So this is no actions. 1, 2, 3, tap, correct step, but no action, no music, no feeling. Now this one is going to be more feel. You will feel the music, and you will probably start moving less with your legs. So it's more become the sensation in the body. So then if you do a little bit more difficult steps, you use hips and chest to get your legs into the correct direction. Here you can play, you can do it either way, you can do side, you can do circular, and when you step, you have this swinging motion. So it looks like a dance, it feels like a dance. Let's try the music.